How to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can order foreign currency from Chase Bank. Now, you're not able to order foreign currency on the Chase mobile app or from the Chase website. However, there are two ways on how you can order foreign currency. The first method is to contact the customer service of Chase Bank. For this, you can head over to chase.com, tap on these three lines and then tap on the customer service option. From here, you can get the contact detail of the customer service, or you can dial the number 1800-935-9935 and call the customer service and then place an order for the foreign currency. You can dial that number to find out which foreign currency is available. If your preferred currency is available, you can place an order. Alternatively, you can visit the local Chase Bank branch or ATM. You can also inquire about the exchange rates and the time it may take to fulfill your request. Usually, it takes anywhere from between 1 to 3 business days for the order to be completed, depending on the currency you ordered. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.